How to add FAQ to Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add FAQ to Squarespace. How are you going to do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, and then once you're logged in your web browser, ensure you open up a new tab with title www.fsite.com. Fsite is the site where you would be able to create a widget. The widget is what you would add to your Squarespace that will give you FAQ. Okay, so once you enter the domain name, which is fsite.com, you will take it to the home page of Fsite, and then you'll be asked to create an account. Ensure you create an account. Once an account has been created, you'll be taken to the apps catalog page. Now on this page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Type FAQ. Once you type it, you'll see the widget here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to choose a template. All right, so yeah, just choose the template you want. Okay, if it's the search in fag, the accordion, simple fag, etc., then click on continue. Once that is done, yeah, you can add a new category if you want to. Just edit it the way you want, and once you're done editing, by the right side of the screen, the top right side of the screen, you see the publish icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to pick a plan. All right, this plan will determine how your widgets would be. Then you click on select. Once you click on select, your code is ready. Click on copy code. Then go back to your Squarespace account. Then on this page, by the left side, you see website selling etc. Click on website. Once you click on that, scroll down until you see website tools. Okay, then click on code injection, and then you select where you want the code to be, either in the header or in the footer. For me, I'll be working with the header, so just left click here and then paste. Once it's pasted, you'll see the save icon at the top part of the screen. Click on it, and once that is done, your website will be changed, and then you'll see your FAQ, as you can see on the screen. So this is how you can add FAQ to Squarespace. Thanks for watching.